Welcome back, everyone. When you think about it, we have been very, very lucky here in the valley, considering what's been going on up to the north with our friends in central, south, and southeast Texas. Here's a satellite picture of Harvey. You notice the eye is gone. Harvey was downgraded to a tropical storm earlier today. It continues to weaken. It's still a tropical storm, but the maximum winds are down to 50 miles an hour. But notice the clouds, a very wide storm, and we continue to see some of those outer band clouds here in the valley. That's going to continue for tonight into tomorrow. Let's take a look at the watches and warnings. And a tropical storm warning continues for the Corpus Christi area as well as San Antonio in the reddish orange. But the tropical storm warning has been discontinued for the Houston area. However, they are seeing flash flood warnings at this time. Wind advisory still in effect for the Austin area, both Travis and Williamson counties at this time shown in the pink. Latest numbers from the National Hurricane Center on Tropical Storm Harvey. The winds were at 65 miles per hour earlier this evening. They've now weakened, and it's down to 50 mile per hour maximum winds. And look at the movement. Very, very slow to the east-northeast to just 1 mile an hour. And this is the problem for folks in that triangle between San Antonio, Corpus, and Houston. Harvey is basically going to drift or move very, very slowly over the next 24 hours. So that means a lot more rain, a serious flooding situation, the case for that triangle of Texas for the rest of the weekend into the start of next week. Here's that forecast track, the official track from the Hurricane Center, then takes Harvey as a depression back toward the Corpus Christi area and then making a sharp hook by Monday back to the north, perhaps heading toward southeast Texas and then perhaps toward central and north Texas. And you notice how wide this forecast cone is. That's because the different forecast models disagree on the direction of Harvey, so it could go anywhere within that cone for next week. In any case, a very bad situation for people in that part of Texas. Here in the valley, again, very lucky, just a few showers this evening. We're going to keep in a few spotty showers because of the outer bands of Harvey, but we're only talking about a 20 to 30% chance of some showers tonight and tomorrow. And there it is on the radar. You can still see the counterclockwise spin in the rain. Very heavy rain bands, very nasty weather moving through Houston at this time, where they have a flash flood warning in Harris County. Also look at the heavy rain just to the east of Austin. There's that band in the yellow and the orange. More heavy rain to the north of that center of circulation. And some of those rain bands even moving to Louisiana as well as East Texas this evening. Now here in the valley, it was a hot one today. We had high temperatures in the triple digits here in Weslaco, McAllen, and the Upper Valley. And the reason for that, the wind flow around Harvey here in the valley has been from the west to southwest. And you know what that means. Those winds come off the mountains of Mexico. As that air descends, it compresses and warms. You get compressional heating, and that's why the temperature soared today. That is going to be the case again for tomorrow. Highs in the upper 90s to triple digits, but then the temperatures come down finally for Monday. Right now we're in the 80s, even lower 90s in McAllen. So for tomorrow, 80 degrees here in the valley at 8 a.m. A spotty shower possible throughout the day. 93 at noon, 97, also a little bit breezy. Here's future track model hitting in a few showers for the overnight hours, and maybe for tomorrow's mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow. We'll still see that possibility for a few spotty showers for tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, even as well as for Monday into Tuesday. Here's that 7-day forecast. By the way, small craft use caution on the waters tonight. We'll have high temperatures back in the lower 90s for Monday and Tuesday, and a high surf advisory actually continues until 4 o'clock in the morning for the coast. So 93 on Monday and Tuesday, 20 to 30% chance of some showers. We'll keep in a 20% chance of some showers Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.